Hey guys, the second unboxing video for today. Well, second one that's gonna get posted today. Well, second one that's gonna get posted today. Yeah, I wanted to come on and share also the Doodlebug collection that they sent me. This is Happy Haunting. I believe it's called, yes. And this is their Halloween collection. I've actually never done any Halloween crafting ever before. I normally am more like autumnal fall, like I prefer that crafting because I really don't like spiders and skeletons and stuff, but they've got some really cute images in the collection, so we're just gonna have fun with it this year and try some Halloween crafting and see how it goes. Hopefully I can make something that doesn't creep me out. But there's so much in this box, so I'm gonna stop talking and we can just dive in. Look at these pretty little jewels, so many jewels, and then they sent mini clothespins. These are colors I don't think I have this color, but definitely I don't think these two. I do have some black, but I love this size, so happy to have more. And then some striped buttons. And then I love these packs. So they sent some jelly clips. Look at how stinking cute. So you got like the little candy and treats here, and I'm obsessed with this one. Look at the black and white cat and ghosty. The ghosty is so cute. I love this. Black and white ghost, the cat, and then the little owl. So cute. I even like the black and white cone here. Yeah, really, really loving that. Let's go through the Doodle Pops. You know the Doodle Pops they've got shaker ones again. They're just getting so amazing. So again, obsessed with these ghosties. I'm definitely going to be putting ghosts on everything because these ghosts are so cute. And I love that I like adding pops of white to projects, so I think that will be really cute. And then some little bugs. And it's really cute because these guys have acetate wings. So that's like a really nice little detail. Sorry for the glare, but I think you can kind of see, hopefully. Another little cute ghosty holding a little pumpkin, and there's like little candy from his little bin. Again, just like really cute little details. Little ghosty in a truck. Just too cute, honestly. So cute. I love these guys. I think I might also do a project with these little owls. Yeah, because I randomly like owls. And then look at this little haunted house. Again, you can see like little eyes poking out from behind that door, and then some outside of the window. Really cute, really cute. And then this little eyeball shaker with like these little clear shaker bits in here. Another thing that's got like all the different, I don't know what, jar of plenty. I'm thinking these are like little candies and stuff, but that's in this little jar. And then I love this one too. Look, I love every time they make anything a shaker. It's just so fun. Got this little pumpkin. Okay, and then we've got some washi. Let me show you all these together here. So got the little spiders. We'll see. I don't know. I mean, I know these are meant to be cute, but I just really don't like spiders. And then a little pumpkin, little grid thingy, little ornaments or lights, like pumpkin lights, and then, or like Halloween colored lights, and then little bugsies in the washi. Really, really cute and sweet. Very Doodlebug. And then let's go on to some of their shape sprinkles. Also, another kind of like favorite thing of mine is their shape sprinkles. Make sure I fill out everything. Okay. Loving the stars. And this can be used not just for Halloween, so that's kind of nice. This is like a good basic. This one too. I don't feel like this needs to just be Halloween. But I do like that the clouds are more gray than white here. Just interesting, different kind of touch. Little googly eyes. I'm guessing these black dots are meant to be for eyeballs, but I'm probably just gonna use this as enamels. I love how small they come. That's really, like, that makes a really nice touch. Look at these little spiders. I don't know. I guess these are pretty cute. But yeah, Yeah, okay. We'll see. We'll see if I end up putting a spider on my project or not. I'm not sure. Then some little bugsies. Some more stars. Again, super versatile. Really like having those. And then some more sprinkles. Super jolly little pumpkins here. Love these. And then I love this one too. The little owls are really cute. And then the black cat is also really sweet. Really, really cute. So much in the shape sprinkles. Now let's go on to stamps and dies really quick. There's quite a lot here. I did already take a couple out because I wanted to look at them. So, yeah. This is the little Going Buggy stamp set. Love this mason jar. And again, I kind of feel like this one is pretty versatile, so it doesn't have to just be for Halloween. Because I kind of feel like this kind of fits into their spring collection a little bit too. Their fairy collection. But love the mason jar. And then this one is definitely a very Halloween themed, but I love that they sent little ghosties. They are so cute and little, and I could make like a bunch of them. I think that is so cute. And then it comes with a house, and then this little lacy fence thing too, which is also like a good piece that could be a good layering piece as well. These two are from the Cute and Crafty collection. They just took a little bit of time to arrive. But I love this little stitching stamp. Lots of cute details in here. They also sent another one of these. I didn't use this one in the last collection yet, but I do like, I do want to try to use this on maybe a Halloween collection. Really cute little examples here for that faux stitching look. Some paper frills in the Halloween colors. Then they've got their cards and envelopes pack. They have this with everything, which is just like a standard cards and envelopes that matches the colors of the collection. Let's see, there's a few ephemera packs here. And the papers and stickers. So let's finish off with the stickers. Here's their 6x12 sheet. Look at these little ghosties. Kind of blends into the background, but it is so stinking cute. I have a feeling I'm going to use up all the little ghosties. There's a little ghosty. Cute little spider web and a little owl. Oh, another little cat here. Really cute. Really cute. And then this guy. More like smaller size stickers. This I already took out of the packaging. Look at this little cat on this bright pink couch. So funny, so cute. So these are all the images. It comes with so much. So we've got the sticker packs there, and then let's go through. I'm going to do the ephemera pieces last. So there's a 6x6 paper pad. They also sent some sheets of like vellum, polka dot vellum, which is really nice. And then they sent some glitter sheets as well. I'm going to keep the glitter sheets in the packaging because I don't want glitter everywhere. But, so we've got the 6x6 pad, but I will go through the 12x12 sheet so we can see everything a little bit better. So we got this little ghosty paper. Absolutely love this guy. Tiny little ghosties with the clouds in the background. So cute. And then bold stars on the back. Some cut apart sheets here. And then striped orange and black on the back. They've got this note paper sheet. I love these kinds of sheets. Very useful, like grids and lines for all your journaling and everything. Really easy inserts as well on like mini albums and stuff. Stripes on the back. Look at this sheet. More tiny little ghosties. I might not even need to stamp out anything. I'm just gonna fussy cut out all these ghosties. Even these spider webs too. Cute little layering piece. Lots of little cats. Really cute. So tons of images there. And then this black and bright polka dot. White and bright polka dot. Really good background piece. And then yellow on the back. All the little bugs. All the little bugs and ladybugs and everything. Worms. Got all those little images. And then the googly eyes on the back. You got the little spiders here coming down. Oh, did I even notice that that was like the point of the... I don't know if I really connected that that's why there's all these like little, maybe it's to make the little spider web coming down. That's kind of a cute idea. And then little stripes, pattern paper stripes on the back. More little ghosties. More clouds. This black and white stripe is really nice too. A little pumpkin. Really cute. Okay, and then ooh, like this page, all the owls. Dark black background. Really bold. And then grid on the back. Plaid kind of grid on the back. The jolly little pumpkins, and then orange tone on tone on the back with the same images as before. Some tags, cut apart sheet again. With all the little puns, of course. Very Doodlebug. This ghost is so jolly. It's like, it's kind of funny. Okay, and then white tags on the back, by the way. We've got this little scene here that repeats on this page, and then dark purple on the back with a little skull, and then stripes and Halloween colors, and then green on the back, and then our 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So much to play with here. Ooh, I like these ones when they do these tabs. Okay, so I put some stuff away so we have space to go through the 3 ephemera packs. So I'll start with the bits and pieces pack. This one comes with 61 pieces, and there's a lot of like basic shapes in here, including like tags and circles and things. But let's just flip through. There's also lots of these like tombstone things. Again, lots of tags, the notebook paper, which is super useful. Little frames. Again, lots. Their pens are something else. So funny. Oh my gosh. My remains, be afraid. So funny. So lots of these like funny pun filled tombstones. But that's that one pack, bits and pieces. Then there is odds and ends. This one has all like the icons and stuff from the collection. This one has 132 pieces in it. And this one also has acetate pieces in it, which I don't know if they've done that before, but I haven't had a collection from them that has this. So that's kind of cool. Like they have these like cute little acetate pieces in here. So just like a different texture and stuff to add to your projects, and just something a little different. It's nice. So a bunch of like little acetate, and then just other, just like, you know, images from the collection. So that huge house, little, oops, cat and spider, and Just loads and loads in here. Look how much is in here. Loads and loads. So yeah, little weighing machine for the brains, little potions, worm guy, some spell books, little clock. Yeah, lots of things. Little owl cage. So that's this pack. There are lots of images in here. I showed, so you can see. And then lastly, we've got the Chit Chat collection. So this one is more like the phrases and little stamps and things. And so I'll spread these out a little bit here. Look at everything. There's so much. I think this one might be with that other pack. But little stamps, lots of phrases for like scrapbook pages and stuff. And then some smaller like tags and little speech bubbles. So that's everything that comes in these packs. Stay tuned to see what I make with this. And I hope you guys like seeing everything from this collection. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.